Now, let us start with the second concept of conditional statement, which is known as if-else statement. So, if-else statement is used when a different block of instructions is to be executed depending upon the evaluation of the condition, which in turn returns the logical value true or false. So, based on condition, the execution of block of statements depends either the condition returns a logical value true or false. So, this exactly means a if-else statement. When you look into the syntax of if-else statement, if condition is evaluated true, a first block of statements will be executed. If a condition is false, then else block of statements will be executed. And if all the execution is completed, the normal statements will be executed. So this exactly the syntax. Now we can move on to flowchart. So flowchart of if-else statement, if a given condition is true here, then a block of statements will be printed and the if condition will be exited and rest normal statements will be printed. If a given condition evaluation is false, then block of statement 2 will be printed and the termination of if statement happens at exit, which is known as exit, and rest of the code like normal statements will be printed. So this is the operation of if-else statements. Now we can move to the code editor and perform an example there. So ex.py. So let me give a number of 5. If n is equal to 5, if n is greater than or equal to 0, print the number is positive, else print the number is negative, and I will print the normal statements as execution is completed. So I will just run this program and I will explain it later. So yeah, here if you could see, I have got the output. For how exactly it is working is, I have defined the value of n is equal to 5. Then I'm using if condition to evaluate a given value is greater than or equal to 0. So if 5 is greater than or equal to 0, I want this print the number is positive block of statement should be executed. So since 5 is greater than or equal to 0, the number is positive is printing, and hence this condition is true. It will exit from the if statement and print the normal statements. So print execution is completed. So execution is completed. Hence this is the normal statement which will be executed once the condition is evaluated. So why else is neglected is, if this is the condition is true, then this set of block of statements will be printed. If this condition is false, then else conditions will be printed. For example, if 5, in case of 5, I use -1. Now if I try to run this, you can see the number is negative, execution is incompleted because -1 is not greater than or equal to 0. Hence these statements won't be executed, and it will go for else condition. Then the following set of statement will be printed. So here the number is negative, hence it is printed, and finally it will come out of if statement and print the normal statements, which is execution is completed. So this how the if-else statement works, and that's the completion of if-else statement. Thank you.